How to disable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to do it. After you open your WhatsApp, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Go to settings. Scroll to down. Tap on this chats. Scroll to down again. Tap on this chat backup. Tap on this end-to-end encryption backup. As you can see now, tap on this turn off. So now I'll tap my password for my end-to-end encryption. After you type in your password, tap on this next. So as you can see now, it says turn off end-to-end encryption for your backup. That's it, guys, on how to turn off. Just tap on this turn off. As you can see now, it says your backup is no longer end-to-end encryption. That's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.